let's get into a couple of the other advanced features in Canva. I had mentioned before that you could add this text box. Again, I can customize it by changing the words and making it say what I want it to say. I can make it larger or smaller. Again, this is just an idea for giving you some cool text combinations, but I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And this is the element I want to delete. Actually, I'll delete the whole group. Okay, great. So now I clearly am going to have to change my pictures too. So you can see again on our menu that there's a section for photos, and they have some stock photos that you can use. Again, you want to use the ones that say free. So if I need to search a particular photo, I can see first if they have a free one. Maybe I need, this is about the book Tangerine, so maybe I want a picture of a tangerine. So I'm going to type that into the search box. And as I hover over the different suggestions, if I want to use one of these, I'm going to click on one of them that says free. The ones that say pro cost money. So I'm going to focus on the free ones. So maybe I want to get rid of this picture here. I'm going to highlight it, put it in the garbage. And then this is a space for me to then drag over the picture that I want. Okay. Now, if I typed in a picture and they didn't have what I wanted, I could certainly go ahead and open a new browser and I can search for a different image. Once I find an image on the internet, what I'll want to do is save it to my device. If you're on a Chromebook, that's on your Google Drive. And then what I would do is I would go down here to where it says uploads. This is the place where I can now upload an image that I have. Once I say upload the image, it's going to search on my computer for where I have it saved, and I can just drag it in to my workspace. So these are the images right now that are the ones that that I have already imported before. So maybe if I want, again, these are just random images, but maybe if I want one of these, I would just slide it over and it would fill that space instead of the picture that I have. I could delete this one and go from there. All right, so that's how I would import my own picture. I first need to find it, save it to my computer, and then I want to upload it here in this space. Okay. Again, if I want to use this template really just almost exactly as it is, I can just erase this text and add my own text. Or if I want to change the design, I can do that as well. The last thing I want to show you are the different elements they have. These are different, more like drawings and clip art. Instead of the photos. So you can use this to find images as well. You also have a section where you can change what the background looks like. And again, at any time, if you click on an area, it shows you right here what color has been chosen. And if you want to change that, you can just click on it and select a different color. All right, now let's say you're done. You've made all the changes you need to make. I would then go, for the sake of your assignment, to share. I normally download it, and you can certainly do that too. You could download it to your computer, put it in your Google Drive, and then you could send it to your teacher that way. If you don't want to download it and do that, you can also press the share button. And I would like to share a link. So that's what it says down here. And instead of sending it to someone to edit, I want them just to be able to view it. So I'm going to say that I want them to view it, and then I can type in my teacher's email here, or I can just copy the link. That's actually better. Copy the link and put it into an email or into your Google Classroom. So once again, either download it and then you can put that image in for your teacher, or you can simply copy the link and then send it to your teacher in Google Classroom. I think that's the best way to go.